control and coordination. In this we are studying the human nervous system and endocrine system. Human nervous system, we are studying the basic structure neuron. So it having the structure dendroid, cell body and axon and telodendrites. How the electrical signals they are moving into chemical signals to the brain and the spinal cord. In endocrine system we are studying the how the hormones they are entering into the blood system and they are moving to the target organs and how they are regulating the different functions. In first we are in nervous system we are studying central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system. First one is the central nervous system. We are studying the brain and spinal cord. In this brain, it is presented in the head region protected by cranium and also three different layers. So called meninges and also the CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, which protecting the brain from the shockings, and also the spinal cord, and it also protected by vertebral columns, dura-mater and other two layers which are present. So brain is divided into three parts, forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. So first one is the forebrain. It divided into cerebrum and dicephalon. These are the two parts. So we here in this we are seeing the different areas. So reading area, auditory hearing, visual area, speaking, sensory area, motor area and other function areas are seen. So next is the cerebrum. It is the largest part, so it helps for thinking, so memory, storage of memory, reasoning and all the activities. So all the activities, voluntary activity or actions which are controlled by the cerebrum. Second part is the dicephalon. So this dicephalon is divided into thalamus and hypothalamus. So hypothalamus which control the body temperature, our hungry, sleep, all these controlled by the hypothalamus of the part of dicephalon. Next we are coming to the midbrain. So midbrain which connecting the forebrain and hindbrain. Also it having the areas like visual areas and auditory areas are present in midbrain, which control the impulses and they giving the response to the eyes and also the ear, which is present in a mid area. Next hindbrain, which is divided into three, the pons. So this is the parts present in hindbrain. So the pons which are having the areas like respiration and blood pressure areas are present here. It controlled by the pons. Cerebellum. So cerebellum, the leaf-like structure is present. So this cerebellum which control the body balance and posture, the movements, the different postures and the balancing of a body is controlled by the cerebellum part of the hindbrain. Last is the medulla oblongata. This medulla oblongata having the centers of blood pressure, salivation and vomiting also controlled by this one, and facial expression. So different expression we are showing. This is controlled by the medulla oblongata, the last part of the hindbrain. After the medulla oblongata, it is connected. Finally they connected to the spinal cord. So this is the structure of brain having the different parts. Next is the spinal cord. It is connected after the medulla oblongata. So elongated structure. So along with the vertebral the column, it is present the spinal cord. It connected to different parts of the body. Nerves are connected to different parts of the body of different parts. It is connected. So next is the reflection action area. So reflection action area, it is present in spinal cord. Means both the spinal, the sensory neurons and motor neurons are present in spinal cord only. Some the actions, immediate actions, when you touch the hot object or touch the sharp object, these messages are not going to the brain. They will go to this reflex action area present in the spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system. So it having the nerves, the brain having 12 pairs of nerves, while 33 pairs of the nerves are present in the spinal cord. So So they are connecting to the all the parts of the body. Autonomic nervous system. So this autonomic nervous system which connect to all the parts of the body, which controls the different parts of the body. So this is about the central nervous system, peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system.